Good morning, Macintosh House. Welcome to this year's Remembrance Assemblies. For those in S2 to S6, you know the format, you've been here before. Special welcome to our S1s, to the first Remembrance Assemblies pupils of Wednesday Academy. As you will know, today is Remembrance Day, and we in the school always get pupils to lead the Remembrance Assemblies. This year we have 3 4th years who were on the battlefield strip, and momentarily they will lead you in the assembly. Having been through this with Fleming and Ingleshouse, they were impeccably observed. I expect no less from yourselves. At the end of the presentation there will be a moment's silence, then there will be some music, during which the captains will come up and lay the memorial wreath, and at the end of the music I will bring the assembly to a conclusion. And I will orderly disperse you back to your classes. Okay? So without any further ado, I'm going to hand over to Evan, Maisie and Grace, and they're going to take you through this morning's Remembrance Assembly.
At Wednesday Academy, we pride ourselves in being respectful, and Remembrance Day gives us an opportunity to connect to our past and pay respect to those that have gone before us. We wear poppies to commemorate those who lost their lives while serving in the armed forces, and the money donated goes to veteran soldiers and their families. The poppy was chosen as a national symbol of remembrance because it was one of the only plants to grow in the otherwise barren battlefields where World War I was fought. Having recently returned from those battlefields, the sheer scale of the loss and devastation caused by the Great War was made clear to us. We were privileged to have the opportunity to pay our respects at the cemeteries and sites of many key battles of the First World War, but in our daily lives, we can all wear poppy as a symbol of respect for the sacrifices that were made by previous generations so that we can enjoy the rights and the freedoms we have today.
The World War I generation concerns and inspirations us. At times we feel overwhelmed by the challenges we face in our daily lives, yet think of the challenges created by World War I. By the people of Scotland were forcing a decision on whether to answer the call to protect their country and their loved ones. Men from all walks of life were forced into the German soldiers and many never returned to Britain. Men like Harry Asher, Lindsay Matthew, Dix, and William Dixon, whose brave identity were acts. At home, people died for the instead of connecting with other, opening up opportunities for generations to come. This is a generation that will be confronted with the challenge of great changes that will face to come.
It's also important to remember that the war is not confined to the history books and contains the scarlet wound. We often take peace for granted in this country. However, we should always be mindful that this is not guaranteed, as we can see from the recent conflicts in Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. The values of compassion and tolerance are vital in creating an inclusive community within Lindsay Academy, just as adherence to the principles that could have helped in 1814, so they can help the world today. Please now take a minute of silence to pay respects, thinking about the sacrifices made by the armed forces, past and present, as well as the people currently facing horrific realities caused by the war.